Sunscreen is an extremely important skincare step, and if you do not feel so, I am here to change your views. And even if you agree that sunscreen is an important essential step of skincare routine, I'm pretty sure that you're committing a lot of mistakes. So here I am to tell you about a few very common sunscreen mistakes that we do and how is it that we can avoid them. And before we proceed, I'd like to thank Bioderma for sponsoring this video. And now without any delays, let's get started. Wearing a sunscreen on regular basis is the easiest way to protect your skin's appearance and to take care of your skin's health. If used regularly and properly, sunscreen helps prevent sunburn, sun damage, premature aging, and even skin cancer. Yes guys, it's real. Sun protection is real and it's really mandatory. Now let's talk about a few common mistakes which people make when it comes to sunscreens. The very first and the most common mistake is being irregular with sunscreen. I know you understand the importance of sunscreen, yet there are times when we get tempted to skip sunscreens. So for example, I know a lot of people who have the habit of checking in weather कि आज मौसम कैसा है, उस basis पे I'm going to be putting my sunscreen. So they go out and check if it's cloudy, they tend to skip it, and if it's sunny then they apply sunscreen. No guys, it doesn't work that way. You cannot be irregular with sunscreen. You have to apply sunscreen daily without fail. Now let me tell you why. Everybody needs sun exposure for the production of vitamin D, everyone knows that. But if you expose your skin unprotected to sun's UV rays, you can get premature aging. That's like very obvious. Another thing is you can get skin burns. This is something which you will see in short term. So you should make sunscreen part of your skin routine as early as possible. So not putting sunscreen regularly can actually harm your skin. So keep this thing in mind and stop committing this mistake. Now, second very common mistake is that people have the tendency to apply sunscreen only when they are stepping out, और if they feel कि उनका sun exposure थोड़ा ज़्यादा है तभी वो sunscreens लगाते हैं, while they totally tend to skip sunscreen when they are at home. Yes guys, you heard me right. You need to apply sunscreen daily without fail. Doesn't matter if you're staying at home or if you're stepping out. If you're someone who stays in a house which gets a lot of sun exposure in your windows, in your balconies, then it's a must thing for you to apply. आप सोच रहे होगे कि मैं सिर्फ 5 मिनट के लिए बालकनी में जाती हूँ या सिर्फ मैं 10 मिनट के लिए बाहर किसी काम के लिए निकलता हूँ, तो why do I need to apply sunscreen? No, it doesn't work that way. Even if you expose your skin to sun for a very short duration, it's more than enough to harm your skin, to damage your skin. So please do not make this mistake of skipping sunscreen while you're at home unless you're living in a cave. Yeah, I think that's just one way where you can skip sunscreen. When your house does not get even one single धूप की किरण, then I think it's fine to skip sunscreen. But if you're someone जिसके रूम में बहुत सारे windows हैं, and if you're someone who loves to laze around on your couch जहाँ पे धूप बहुत अच्छी आती है, then I will really suggest that you put sunscreen on daily basis. Another point, which is like a sub point to this point, is that people apply sunscreen just before stepping out. No, that's also not the right way of putting the sunscreen. If you're doing it that way, you're doing it all wrong. Why? Because your skin needs time to absorb the sunscreen and to provide you that proper sun protection. So you really need to apply sunscreen before like 15-20 minutes of stepping out. अगर आप immediately sunscreen लगा के बाहर निकल जाएंगे तो वो पसीने में बह जाएगा and it's not going to protect your skin. So you might be thinking कि मैंने sunscreen लगाया है, मैं तो tan नहीं होंगी या मेरी skin damage नहीं होगी, but then you have not applied sunscreen the right way. So you're going to face the equal amount of damage as a person who has not applied the sunscreen. So please do not waste your effort and apply sunscreen before 15-20 minutes of stepping out of your house. And now that we are at the point of application of sunscreen, I'm going to cover another very important mistake which people make. And that brings me to my third very common mistake that people do. That is not covering all the exposed areas. So what happens usually, जब आप sunscreen लगाते हो, we have a tendency to just, cover this much area and we feel that we are done. No guys, it again doesn't work that way. You have to apply sunscreen to all of your exposed area. So whenever you're stepping out, your ears, this is something which we tend to forget. And जो भी आपका exposed area है, neck, back, arms, legs, feet, everything, you need to apply sunscreen liberally. please do not be confused when it comes to applying sunscreen, because you have to apply a good amount or good quantity of sunscreen to provide you that proper protection. So make sure you're covering each and every exposed part of your body before stepping out. And then we have fourth very common mistake is that we forget the reapplication, or we are too lazy to do the reapplication, right? Now, if you worry about your skin and if you have taken the effort to apply sunscreen before stepping out in the sun, I would really request you to reapply your sunscreen every 3 to 4 hours, depending upon how much exposure you've got, because if you sweat a lot, you really need to reapply it. If you are someone who is exposed to water, if you're someone who's exposed to water and you sweat a lot, and if you have the habit of using handkerchief a lot on your face because you sweat a lot, that's when you really need to apply sunscreen every 3 to 4 hours. Please make sure that you carry a small tube of your sunscreen whenever you're stepping out of your house to make sure that you reapply. And if you're going for water sports or something like that, then you have to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours without fail. Last but not a really uncommon sort of a mistake, as they say, last but not the least, this is like the most common mistake which I see people making, is replacing their sunscreen with their makeup products with SPF. Now, if you have seen my video, I'm gonna link one right here where I've talked about things skincare brands do not want you to know. I have covered this point in a lot more detail, but I'm just gonna briefly cover it here as well. So what happens whenever you buy a skincare product or a makeup product which is like not a sunscreen, but then it claims to have SPF in it, and then you think कि आप अपना sunscreen skip कर सकते हो because I think this foundation is more than enough to provide me the sun protection. No, it does not work like that, because when you apply sunscreen, you need to apply it in a liberal amount, okay? A pea-sized amount is not going to give you enough sun protection. You really need 1 teaspoonful of sunscreen only for your face. Yes, I'm not kidding. You can read all the research online. This is the quantity that you need to, just protect your facial and your neck area. So that's what you need. And how much foundation do you actually apply? I think just a pea-sized amount, right? First of all, the SPF is not enough to protect your skin. Secondly, the quantity that you apply, that is also not enough to provide you the sun protection. Make sure that you do not replace your sunscreen with your makeup products, because no, they are not going to provide you the sun protection that your skin needs to avoid the premature aging and a lot of damages which sun exposure can actually do. So you need to have makeup products, your skincare products totally different, and your sun protection, your sunscreen, another different product. You cannot replace them, you cannot mix them. While there are a lot of sunscreens in the market, just like this one from Bioderma, they come in tinted variants also. So if you're someone who likes to go with a very slight BB cream, you can actually replace your BB cream with this particular sunscreen. So this way it's possible, the other way around it's not possible. Do not do that. And now that I have talked about all the common mistakes that we usually make and how to avoid these mistakes, I'm going to talk about Bioderma's Photoderm 50 SPF plus sunscreen. I'm going to highlight a few features and why I like it. So let me ask you a few questions. What do you hate about sunscreen? The chip-chippa texture. It might break you out. It leaves the white cast and it makes your skin oily, right? So if these are the things that you hate about your sunscreen, then you should definitely try switching to Bioderma's Photoderm Max SPF 50 Plus sunscreen, because this is like an answer for all of the problems which I just talked about. First of all, this sunscreen has an amazing texture. As you can see, it's so fluidy, it's so watery and milky I should say that. It's so amazingly fluid that it gets absorbed in your skin within a few seconds without leaving any white traces or any shine. Another very important thing about the sunscreen is that this is non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores and it won't break you out. So if you found this video helpful and if you have been trying Bioderma, then do not forget to hit the like button of this video, because this will mean a lot. And I'm gonna see you again very soon with another video. But before that, if you have any other questions about this sunscreen or any other products from Bioderma, make sure you drop me a comment below, or you can also DM me on Instagram. My handle is chitranshi.me. I make sure that I reply to each and every sensible comment and question that I get. And on this very note, I'm gonna sign off and I'm gonna see you again very soon with another video. Till then, bye!